YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We are back. It's been a few days with shipping delays. Everything's situated now. And this is coming from DOOGEE. Check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. You can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And take a look at this, guys. This is coming from DOOGEE. This is their smartphone S61 Pro. 6 gigs plus 128 gigabytes. This thing is sweet. They got night vision, 20 megapixel camera. Comes with a USB, but make sure you order the US version if you guys are in the US. Unless you're in international, you might want to get the one you need. So I'm going to put that one there. But I got other ones to charge the phone if I need to. DOOGEE smartphone. And it comes with, what did it come with? Screen protector. A USB. A lanyard. Or a bungee. Key for the SIM or your TF, and a little limited warranty card. Also, you could buy one of these. They got these separate. It is a Pro double protection case screen protector. Looks something like this. That kind. That's nice. Kind of looks like wood. And this is a Kevlar. And it shows how to do it. Get an extra one of these. I'm not going to need to put them on right now because this will be more for home. And of course, here's the back of it. Look at that, see-through. Really nice case. Yeah, it's like, so already got it turned on and everything good to go. Charging down here. You just peel it off. There we go. USB goes there. TF and SIM card right here. Tell. Like I said, this has night vision, waterproof. And that's sweet though. Camera looks good. There we go. And now, go settings. Make sure that nothing shows. So it's Android version 12, 128 gigs. And then here's a camera. UHD mode, portrait, video. That looks good. So I might use this one for recording. UHD. And all the way here is night vision. Right now. You can do video games, mobile gaming, pretty much everything. This phone is really nice. You can do Google Assistant. Like I said, definitely can't wait to test it out a lot more. But definitely nice. Has a nice feel to it. Looks clean. It's really cool. So definitely check them out. Like I said, they got screen protectors and also smartphones. DOOGEE. Link will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.